Eto na, in this video, pag-usapan natin what is LBank. Pag-usapan natin who is LBank, features and services, may trading experience kay LBank including the UI and then the interface, mga pros and cons, syempre, yung mga pinaka-highlight, and the final verdict, is it worth it to jump or to switch from your other crypto exchange to LBank. Also, since we're going to talk about LBank Pangkin, kung gusto mo mag-sign up sa LBank, meron dyan sa may description box na sign up link. Pag nagpasok ka ng amount, dadagdagan ni LBank yun ng 20%. So let's say magpasok ka ng $100, $1,000, magiging $1,200 na yan. So, sulit yun, di ba? Also, when you sign up using the link dyan sa may description box, is makakuha ka ng trading fees discount, or should I say, rebate, cashback, parang ganun. So, sa spot, makakuha ng 20%, sa futures, makakuha ka ng 30%. Ako sa spot wala akong makukuha, pero sa futures I get 40%. So, hati tayo. Before anything else, kung bago ka pa lang dito, Bangken, my name is Cryptito, and in this channel, tuturo ako ng anything that I know about crypto, trading, Web3, NFT, AI, tech reviews, and travel reviews. Travel vlogs, I mean. Lumalabas tayo naman sa most of the time for crypto events. So, binablog natin yan, yung mga exchanges, mga big annual events, mga side events na nasa ibang bansa, pinupuntahan natin yan. And is also, syempre, including yung mga nasa Philippines. So, kung interested ka about those topics, Bangken, make sure to subscribe na and hit the bell notifications icon para hindi mo miss yung mga uploads ko. LBank is one of the biggest crypto exchange right now. They were founded around 2015 and they're one of the top exchanges right now. So this is LBank. Ito yung pinaka-website nila. So, ayan, basahin mo na lang yan. And then, yan, available siya sa App Store, Google Play, APK. Kaya, ang kagandahan dito sa LBank is, they have futures, syempre, may spot din, may staking, copy trading, may launchpad, may airdrops din sila. Ang maganda dito kay LBank is, first, wala silang KYC. Kung wala pang government ID or you like privacy, you don't want to send out your IDs or your documents, magagamit mo pa rin yung platform, magagamit mo pa rin yung LBank. Ibang platforms, bawal kang gumawa ng certain features like withdrawing, hindi ka makapag-withdraw kapag hindi ka pa nakapag-account verification. With LBank, it's not a problem. Another one sa advantage nito ni LBank is yung mga early na coins or meme coins or any small project na paputok ka lang, usually yan dito na agad kay LBank. Madalas mas nauuna pa si LBank kaysa dun sa mga mas malalaking exchange. Ang tendency kasi nun is pag nakarating na yun dun sa mga malalaking exchange is it tends to pump. So maganda dito, mas maaga kang nakakasakay. Here, meron tayong markets. Ito yung mga bagong labas na cryptos. Pinakamataas yung mga naging gains. Ayan o, tataas o. 4,000, wala. Hot futures, ito si mga may init sa futures, no? Mga top used or mga top na tina-trade when it comes to futures trading. Yung mga spots. Okay? Ito marami yan, hindi limited to this lang. Ito yung mga hot, and yung mga meme. Leverage token. Yan. Wait. Markets, yan. Trades, spot, futures. Yan, mawawad yung futures, mga leverage. Meme, AI, may different categories. Yan, yung mga top trades, mga top tokens, mga memes. Yan, there's 1,000 pairs or coins na pwede mong pagpilian dito. Okay? Just need to search it here or hanapin mo dyan. Pero maganda i-search mo na lang dito. Then yung trade, no? Trump. Yan. Trump, QNT. Yan, may perp, may spot. Yan, so check nyo na lang dito. So basically, parehas lang din naman sa other exchanges. Yan, so meron tayong naka-open na position. Uy, tumataas pa lang yun si Bitcoin. Nice. Copy trading, I did copy trading with this one. So, currently, nabawi na nagpapapaldo. Ito yung kinontent ko to sa TikTok. Puro siya panalo pero nag-lose streak siya ngayon. So, pakita ko sa inyo in the future. Medyo talo pa ngayon ng nasa $20 ata. O, Launchpad, Launchpool, Deadpool, Flexible Lock. Yan. Mono Center. Okay? Ito yung mapapromos nila ata. Saan nyo lang. Hot events. Okay, on the right side, andito naman yung search. Yan, pwede mo search anything here. Any cryptos. One-click buy. Ito pag bibili ka. Or magde-deposit ka. Deposit ka naka-arrow. Okay. Ito, yung wallet mo. Okay. And then, notifications. Download app. Yeah, language. Click mo yung wallet mo if you have other wallet. And then, ito yung, then, this one is your profile picture. Maganda dito, ito, meron silang support. Magsabot. So, if you have questions, meron kang concerns, leave your name mo, and then email. Website nila is mabilis naman. Very snappy so far. Yeah, crypto exchange trusted by millions of users. Okay. My experience when it comes to trading here, smooth siya. I never had an issue naman. And again, very straightforward. Currently, based on CoinMarketCap, they are top 70. Sa spot, I believe, top 17 sila yan. Top 17 sila. Then sa derivatives, I believe top 19. Top 19. Yan. Balik tayo. So, kung baba, ayan, basahin nyo na lang. Mga services, contacts, dito yung community nila, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, yan, YouTube. Pakita ko sa inyo yung interface nila sa trading. So, let's say, spot, Bitcoin. Yep. So, that's how it looks like. Okay. Buy, sell. Ayan dito yung other settings. Okay. Yan, dito yung selection ng token. Pwede mong i-start kung favorites mo. Token overview. Yan, nakita mo information dyan. Order history, transaction. Okay, trade futures. Yan, currently meron tayong isang naka-open na position. Yan, so this is the desktop platform again. Then, ito naman yung itsura niya sa application. It's not overwhelming. Parehas lang din naman sa other platforms. What I think they need improvement on lang is yung P2P nila. So, hindi pa ganun kaganda. Wala pa masyadong buyers and sellers. So, kung papasok ka dito sa L-Bank, padali mo muna sa ibang exchange tapos transfer mo na lang dito. If you want tutorial on how to do that, kung hindi ka pa marunong, let me know sa comment section tapos gawin natin ang tutorial. And that's L-Bank. By the way, kung nakarating ka dito sa part na to, sabihin mo naman, comment mo naman yan sa may description box. Gets dito. Okay? Kung na-gets mo yung mga sinabi natin about L-Bank. By the way, again, kung wala pang L-Bank, dyan yung sign-up link sa may baba. Yung mga advantages kapag ginamit mo yan. I think nasabi ko naman sa unahan. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa akin, make sure to subscribe na and hit the bell notifications icon para updated ka kapag naglalabas ako ng mga bagong videos. Alright? And again, if you have other questions, let me know sa comment section. And this is it for now, Pangked. See you soon.